yes, you're losing talent, but
Casino ngayon didiskarte. Aurigue provides the screen. Step back jumper by Casino. Smooth like butter. Para si Manjanot as Ihebim skies for the slam dunk.
Good morning guys. So, kagising ko lang. Today may Pinoy Liga tayong laro. Yung first game namin, opening. Ngayon nililipat ko lang tong mga lumang files para ma-vlog ko yung laro natin sa Pinoy Liga. Samahan nyo ako sa ating first game. And kinonvert na nga pala ako sa point guard. First time natin maglalaro sa point guard sa LPU. So, excited rin ako doon. Tingnan natin kung anong mayari. Sana mag-workout. And I've been practicing na maging point guard. Kalaban natin ay Guangming. What's up bro? Patiin nyo pala sa Juban.
good luck.
Thank you bro. Nanonood ka ba? Nanonood ka? Bakit? Ba't di ka nanonood?
Uwi ako.
Saan?
Wow.
Si Pat. Kasi Des. Kasi ano? Chufa. Saan kayo? Kain kayo?
Okay.
Saan itayin na natin si Kyle?
Hindi, 7-11 pa namin maglalako pa lang ng Diyos.
Oh? Tapos, yo, let's all eat together. Kyle's coming.
Huh?
Kyle's coming.
Crowd's coming where?
Here, to eat together.
Oh, really? Yeah. Where are we eating?
We're gonna find one. Okay? Ayan, so, yung groupings natin. Kaya sa group edge. UP, LPU, Binild, Guangming, San Bed, at saka Endurance. Yo, where are we eating?
In our mouth.
Oh, okay.
On the plate.
That's where we eating, bro.
I don't know. Javon.
You decide, you decide.
Why is it always me? No shit here, bro. McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Wow.
We can.
Oh, McDo.
Macdo?
Macdo.
Ah, sige, Macdo.
Macdo.
Before
Chicken.
game, ang healthy ah.
Oh, McDo. Tara, McDo.
Tara, Macdo. McDonald's?
Oh, McDo.
Go.
Alright. Fried
Okay.
chicken and rice from McDonald's.
Kakain daw muna kami sa Macdo, guys. Before laro. Let's go.
Oh, McDo. I like how they all look away. They all went like this.
Okay, po. Kyle, what move you're gonna do later?
What move am I
Yeah,
gonna do later?
let's see.
Can you play like a 7-2? Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's what you're gonna do later?
Wow.
Ganyan gagawin mo mamaya.
Imagine he gets a backcourt violation. I'm gonna die, bro. I'm gonna start laughing, bro. Especially you look at me disgust. I was clipping your bro, that shit pissed me off so much. Literally, when I was going to the sideline, Lion later was telling me like, bro, just like bump him. I was like, how do I bump him if he's literally got my arm like this? I would always be doing that. Give me your arm. And then Coach, I look at Coach Godot, he's just. Hey, wait for me. Put a shirt on. Why are you fucking half naked? Wow. He's fucking women here, bro. What's wrong with you?
It's like documentary, bro.
Guys, that's basically what this is. Pinoy Liga, day 1.
Yeah, pwede.
What are our thoughts?
Just like the tough hoopers, you know, they
Oh, yeah.
they do. You gotta put a bag on, bro.
Today is our first day of Pinoy Liga. Our group is pretty stacked.
Who's in our group? UP,
Benild, Beda,
Beda,
Guangming,
Guangming, and Ender.
They're all cheaters because they all have black eyes, but we have one too.
Oo nga, lahat may import eh. Ito, may import din tayo. Pero,
Imports. CBA
player.
CBA. We got an esports player.
esports. Yo, why are you changing courses, yo? Tell them why you changing
CBA is too hard, bro. It's too much work and the teachers are really mean, bro. I got cussed out in a language I don't understand. After I told the teacher I don't understand, bro. Like, why would you do that? That's just so mean.
Bro, I might have started doing that too. I might have just say, I don't understand. I don't know what you're saying.
Then they're gonna whip out English and then it's just like,
yeah.
don't matter. Then it's like, then what I do?
Where's our import, yo?
Ronnie James.
No! Oh!
Yo, the Lakers need you, bro.
Come on, bro. We gotta go G League, bro.
You got a G League game
Come
tomorrow.
on, bro.
This is our import, guys. Yes, sir.
G League game, 4 p.m. Watch Bronny James.
Let's go.
Hey, you speed.
Yun, nice clear guy. The Pogi. Guys, lapit lang na McDo dito eh. Lakad lang, walk it distance. McDo daw eh.
Who came up with this? You want my grab my nuts? No, I don't want to grab your nuts.
Grab nuts.
Who came up with that name? Is it good?
Yeah.
Are your nuts good?
My nuts is
Can I grab your nuts?
Your nuts are good.
My nuts
you want
is good.
nuts? Here. Oh, those nuts. I was talking about these ones.
Try it, let's try it, let's try it.
Yo, your nuts are salty, bro.
Yeah.
Try natin.
It's not salty, bro. I always watch.
Oh, it's what? Toothbrush ko lang eh. Good.
You want my nut?
Gordon!
Nah. Allergic.
I remember.
Allergic. Ay, wag, George.
Kapag nag-
Si Balmond ka daw, Gord. Walang tao ah.
I don't think that would move, bro.
Let's see how much people we
Bro, there's about 6, 7 right now.
Yeah, wanna wait? Or
I don't think we have an option. What time is it? 12.
Probably gonna get our food at 12:30.
Carinderia? No, dim sum. Dim sum? Siomai? Before game?
Show my giving me PTSD, bro.
Yeah, bro.
So when I got
Let's
sick.
just find the Carinderia. Please. Hindi natin alam. Puno kasi, puno yung walls. We can, is it open? Kaya natin get. Bloke. Gusto mo bloke? It's hot as fuck. Bloke. Bro. Lagi na lang. Gusto mo? Dim sum? Hanap tayo bang makakainan? Puno eh.
That shit was
Yeah. Walls?
And I just put on lotion. Let's go,
Bloke?
Yeah, Bloke. Bloke is nice
Okay,
as hell.
bloke. He doesn't like bloke?
I don't like
Alright, let's
keep
go.
going.
Let's just go there. Yeah, let's
Why do I keep saying that, bro?
Oh!
It's not enough chicken. It's not enough chicken. What? Chicken? Fried chicken.
Whoa!
Dude, there's more food.
Yeah, this is warm up. Yeah, this is
Fucking
activation,
warm-up,
bro.
bro.
Because
You know
Coach
what?
Jan is not gonna be there.
It's a warm up box.
wait.
I
Okay,
feel
bro.
the white.
Whoa! Yo!
We just spawned out
That was
of
a
nowhere.
stalker.
What the heck?
He's game day ready.
The opposite.
It's the same person.
The opposite. Let's go, let's eat.
Yaki yaki.
Yaki yaki? I'm with that too. Des, did
What?
you give him a pass to say that?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, you're good now, you're good. You're good.
Ask him.
Yo, binigyan mo daw siya ng pass. Ito. Oo. No? Ah, no pala. Patay ka. Sorry ka dyan. Hey, I'm feeling nice today again.
You're feeling nice?
Yeah, I'm gonna pay for you again.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah.
thank you, man, thank you.
Half fried chicken. Half fried chicken.
Let's go to Sogo then.
What? So go?
That's where you get half fried chicken.
So go?
Half fried chicken if they don't greet you at the door. Kasi kagabi, pumunta kami ng EDSA. May dumanan kami ng Sogo. Kapag nakalagay dun sa advertisement lang, kapag di daw sila, yung mga staff nila, kung di naka-grade, may free half chicken.
Ah.
Pasok ako, te. Pwede pumasok, te. Yan.
Sige, pasok. Yay! Take our order, Omar. Take our order. Criminal.
Desmond,
Desmond.
shoplift.
Feel na feel talaga ni Omar, oh.
No pay, no pay.
Yeah.
Only work, no pay.
Slavery,
only
bro.
work.
That's slavery.
Oh wow, alright. That's slavery?
Open your mouth.
How you gonna eat the bite and then give it to me, bro?
So you don't want it?
No, I don't.
Ayan.
peanuts, bro. Sorry, bro.
And then you're dying too. We're both
So you're just gonna have your paws out, fucking freelance in the fucking.
Start flying everywhere while you're playing.
Okay, but we don't wear a cup though. If you wear a cup, if you wear a cup, then you can wear it with no underwear, right? No. Right or no?
What does a cup have to do with anything?
I'm saying versus wearing no underwear and underwear.
What, bro? Yo, what are you talking about? We're talking about compression shorts. You put
Underwear
brief,
first.
brief in it.
Underwear.
Yes.
You put underwear and then compression shorts?
Same thing. Brief underwear is all the same thing.
Nah.
It's compression,
Pinagtatalo na
bro.
nila guys. Kung naglalagay ka pa ng tapos compression short.
Sabi ko sa'yo, passion yung underwear para Superman. Look, these are compression shorts.
Oh, ayan.
I have compression shorts on, but
No brief.
no brief on it.
Ikaw?
It's just this. No.
You put brief and then compression.
Or I don't do that. Or you don't do that?
You just free ball? Just free ball.
That shit gonna make your dick do like that, bro, inside, bro. Yes, bro. Yo, what kind of penis do you have? Wait. Ate. Maraming salamat, eh.
Bye.
Bye!
Ate, saan ka galit eh? Thank you. Let's go back. Guys, magre-ready na kami para sa game. Kakain lang kami.
Yo, y'all are not real, bro. We're still talking about this. I don't understand that.
That shit's hella dumb, bro.
How is that dumb? You're wasting
you
bro.
only wear
the diamond-
compression.
Yes, it's big. I don't fucking detach it.
Dick is like this,
Yes,
bro.
it's like this or like this.
Up. Down?
You put it up?
Yeah.
Up. Sorry. My bad. Sorry.
Nag-aawa siya sa Superman nga eh. Nauna pa yung pantalon sa kaysa sa underwear eh.
Super. Chip. Go. Ha?
Kay Coach Jan. Galakad ka backwards. I didn't even know the ledge was in there.
Ayan, Coach Jan. Coach Jan. Yun, hindi ginawa niya ba sa walls yung kay Coach Jan? Gawin na natin.
If you're watching this,
This is a workout. Uy, Kuya Simon. Hi, Nay! Gusto, Nay? Nanay, tigalaban natin. Tigalaban ng ating mga damit. Hello! Chip! Basta Chip? Po, ito na ngayon. Bagong build.
Stop by.
The shooter of LBU. Lahat. Guys, ready na po kami. You know, ready na?
day one.
Kobe. This is the top hoopers. Wait. Yeah, the top hoopers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey guys, day one, Pinoy Liga. Our point guard.
Point guard Elijah.
Bronny James.
Wala na sa bag na yung phone ko.
Oh, you're messing up the segment.
Saan ka na? Sige. Papunta kami dyan.
Hi, bye-bye!
Bye. No! Coach Gids! Coach Gids! Guys, papunta tayo sa coaster. Chip. No, I don't think so. Yo! Hi, Boss Rins! Man of Steel! Our driver.
Yo, ang tagal. Nandito na ako.
Camera nga hawak ko, hindi ako sa cellphone. Sorry Kisses.
Bayot! Bading!
Bading.
Bayot! Bading!
Boss Rino.
Desmond Bayot! Bading!
Ano pa nila pumasok doon?
Pwede na.
Pwede na.
Init pa kasi ito eh. Oh, it's okay. Not that hot. Yes, dito tayo po.
Sit right here. Right here next to.
The sign, bro. Per. See the first game.
Go, Ledge.
Hi, coach.
Baba.
Nice, coach. Ayan. Joro.
Paano po ng pangalan din i-check lang? Era wala kang bilhin, di ba? Ha? Era. Tapos na binigay.
Dito kami. Dito pasok kayo.
Ready mo sila. Pupunta yun? Sige, yung ginagawa mo. Yan o, tandaan niyo yung pangalan na yan. Sisikat yan. Ready lang tayo guys. Next game na tayo, unang game Bedo tsaka Endurance. Warm up lang tayo.
Hey bro,
Di siya maglalaro ngayon kasi pakita mo.
it's alright cause
Pakita mo.
it's Richmond's time.
Tingnan mo.
Richmond's time.
Thank you sir. Next game, okay ka na. Okay ka na next game.
Good luck, brother. Show them what you got.
Ready tayo. Ito nga pala yung captain natin.
Galaman lang tayo para may
Sarap
energy.
naman yun.
3K technical.
Kasama yung warm up guys. Diretso tayo sa game.
Yo, so what's up? We stole Omar's camera. Yan mo, i-flip mo, flip mo. Hello guys. Nirecord namin ng walang paalam kay Richmond. So, ito si Kuy.
Derrick Rose, of LPU.
The Captain Ball.
The Captain Ball. Derrick Rose of LPU.
Mr. Senior. Jamoran with the braids.
One last ride.
Sino daw?
Consider. Parang sa mama ko. Hi, ma. Hi, mami.
Yeah. The captain. The ball.
One last ride, Mr. Senior.
Cooking yan.
Don't waste my time. Peace. Peace out na tayo, pre.
Peace.
Game time.
Tingin. Giris ah.
Nice one, D.
Ngayon dahil mo jersey niya. 6'7 yun. 6'7 niya. 6'7 nga. 6'7 niya. Ikaw lang, saan ang height mo? 6'4? 6'7 nga talaga? Sabi niya, 6'7 niya.
Lagi na lahat, no? Lalo yung mga excess na baggage natin, emotions, all in all. Focus na tayo dun sa game, yung mga gustong pagawa ni coach. Tsaka number 1, para magpapanalo sa atin dito yung defense. Mga yung effort natin, both sides, defense and offense, pare. Yun ang magmamatter sa magiging outcome ng game natin. Let's go ha, family on 3 ha. 1, 2, 3! Family!
Dito tayo guys, laro tayo.
Well, there's one player that I want to look out for the Lyceum Pirates. It's Richmond Casino. This young guard reminds me of a J.R. Smith. He's instant offense, but when he gets heated, he can score a lot of points. I think that he has matured enough to actually grow and become a better player and lead this Lyceum.
Fresh 40.
Yun, pero salamat sa crash course na binibigay mo sa akin.
God-given gifts.
Oo.
Technically, itong LPU.
Heading here in Taguig. Mas nauna pa nga raw sila dumating kaysa sa mga first game teams. Kaya naman, no doubt,
Doon nakikita yung intangibles, which fuels the why as ng Pinoy Liga Next Man Cup. Pero titignan natin kung team, but now down to 10.
Kaya na nga, oh.
3-pointer on the way, and fouled is no one other than Richmond Casino.
Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi mahihiya tumira yan.
Talagang shoot when able itong si Richmond Casino, no? And no, if you are the teammates of Richmond, you would want to get him free with those screens, no?
Set him up.
Pero as a shooter, no, what's the best way to get free? I mean, it's, yes, to utilize those screens, no? Pero meron bang specific technique na dapat, ano ba yung approach doon?
I would say it's reading your defender. You know, it's not 100% of the time the defender's on you looking.
Tries to get that pick from Jethro Reyes. Trying to navigate his way outside of the offense. Jethro Reyes! Pero the attention to detail lalo and the speed that you have to go at. Hamyas! Reyes finds Casino. Provides the shield. Gets that pick from Reyes. Navigating to a 3. Yes, sir! Nothing but the bottom of the net para kay Richmond Casino.
At the end of the first half, Jones took the shot and look at the
Yep.
result.
LPU trying to find the gap in the defense.
Ooh,
Casino makes it 2. Absolute spitfire offense so far for LPU. Quarter, the third and fourth has in store. Hindi pa lahat nakakascore, hindi pa lahat pinapasok. And for sure, still an alternative basketball left to go. We're tied at 21. We'll be right to the 3-point shooting no, in the first quarter na ang dami nang contribute eh. Si Casino, si Pecolera. Tapos sa ngayon, hindi pa nag-iinit si Depoyard.
Give credit to the Lyceum Pirates in that previous possession, protecting the paint.
Trying to hand it off to number 97, that is Elijah Singson. 3-pointer on the way, smooth as silk. That's something that's very scary to see, no, if you're the opposing team. Because hindi mo alam kung mag-overextend ka. And Collier, nagdagdag naman sa lamang. Getting the lead up to 9. And timeout for Guangming College Flying Dragons. 31-22. We'll be right back for more action. Gets the basketball. Perimeter jumper, smooth as silk.
Yes.
And that's what you want to see. Right on cue.
Talking to Coach Paul Ramos earlier, sabi ko, you know, yes, you're losing talent, but that says
Between all of the teammates. Oh, and excellent defense there by Pecolera. Converting this fast break, and Ihabem all the way to the hole. Slam dunk there by Guangming. 3-pointer just short. And offensive board by Jethro Reyes. Pecolera fishing for the foul. LPU comes up with it. And LPU with a gimme shot. Point lead. LPU's in the penalty. Ihabem to the basket. Gets the foul with a strong finish. The lead right now, Justin. Pero tignan muna natin. Aralin natin. What happened in the first half? Look at these halftime. Amazing how they're out-rebounding the powerhouse in the middle ng Guangming. Also para sa LPU, si Reyes, Jethro Reyes having 9 points, Casino having 8, and Caicedo having 5 points. 3-pointer, no good. But good shot selection. Ihebem gets the basket with a foul. Guangming down to the other side now as Casino with that Reyes. To the cutting Casino with the left hand. Skies, changes, and converts. Feeling ko nakakadagdag ng skills yung ponytail eh. All the way, and that's an offensive foul. And I don't think that was intentional. Nawalan lang ng... nakita nila, uy, bigla si Casino, nandun pala. Tapos nawalan ng mapeprenuhan itong si Hamyas as Casino. Skies for that offhand layup ni Casino eh. Pero nakakagulat na kaya yung dumagdak ha. At that height, what they have in store now that it's a close game. Eto na, dito na magkakaalaman yung mga sinasabi natin kanina. Casino! Right down the heart of the Guangming team. Magmamama lang siya. Dito ako napapasabi na parang ang bilis ng bagal eh. Alam mo yun, na parang as we see this Casino 3, that's here, 3-point shot play of the game brought to you by Smart 5G. The floor right now. Short stab, no good, and Casino comes up with it. Power rebound by Casino. He was ahead of everybody else. Skied for the rebound, and he's not the tallest guy on the floor. As we take a look at this instant replay, Casino na foul dun ni Hamyas.
They're like movement eh, no?
Oo.
Gaan eh.
Parang Shea Gilgeous, na? Similar. Casino sinks that free throw. College Flying Dragons and the LPU Pirates. Reyes to no avail. Good defense here by Bermudo.
Oh, nice backdoor.
Casino with a backdoor cut back in. So Guangming now on the floor has Lactao-Tao, Pareñas, Pecolera, Ihebem, and Bermudo. Reyes and Nathaniel Fuentes. Binalik na naman si Fuentes. Another perimeter threat here for LPU. Stretching the floor.
Open on that fast break.
Casino ngayon didiskarte. Aurigue provides the screen. Step back jumper by Casino. Smooth like butter.
Nasty.
That was nasty. That was nasty. What a shot by Richmond Casino. As we Kurt Lactao-Tao sidestepping through the defense. Oh, that's a travel. Not so sure about that. Not so sure.
With two amazing ball games
Yes,
so far.
absolutely. As we look at this instant replay, see Richmond Casino. Let me take a step back, take a look at this three, and make it.
Since kanina pa tayo nagko-coach Carter, sabi niya, Rich what?
Richmond. Common in college basketball and basketball in general. As Ihebem skies for the slam dunk. All the risk. And he slam dunk at Ihebem, and it looks like that's going to be the final moments of the fourth quarter, 67-61. Yung comeback story na tong Guangming. Your thoughts?
It's